Guys, today I joined a new friend. She can't even move. I'll help you. Okay, right now I can carry you. I don't somebody. Thank you.
Yes.
Right now carrying her around.
Wait, Dad, do it faster, no?
No, not morning. Be careful not to drop me. Ow! Ow. Okay. Well, I just got you up. Come to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. The channel 1 to 3. See you later. Bye.